Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a criminal appeal, Your Lordship, on Thursday, Your Lordship. The matter was last listed on 25/11/24 for consideration of the IA, Your Lordship.
Listing for what?
For orders, Your Lordship.
For
For
orders.
consideration of the IA, Your Lordship.
IA is for?
I is for bail, Your Lordship.
See, we can have it. Yes. Correct. Yeah. We'll do one thing. You approach the registry
Your
for
Lordship,
listing of the thing,
on next Tuesday, Your Lordship, if possible.
because this bench may not be a regular bench, so it will not be proper for this bench to fix. You approach the registry, all right?
Oblige, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? Sir, I beg to mention item number 25.
Today's list.
Today's list. Item number 25 for
Ah.
hearing it has come. On behalf of Mr. A, I seek for some accommodation. I have taken the consent from the respondent number 2.
25 is a.
She appears for the receipt. 25 hearing.
25 is the last matter.
Last matter.
What do you want?
Lordship, for adjournment for the day, Lordship. Can it be listed after 3 weeks?
You're for the appellant.
Lordship.
What's your good name?
Lordship, V.A. Chaudhary. On behalf of Mr. A. Bora, his name is not reflected, though the wakalatnama was filed. So we have been newly engaged in this case. We have filed a wakalatnama. Is in custody. Is in custody.
What about the previous counsel?
Lordship.
What about the previous counsel whose
Lordship,
names are shown here? There are as many as 6 of them.
Lordship, the wakalatnama is on record, Lordship.
Maybe. What I'm asking you is that, have you taken NOC from them?
Yes, Lordship.
Who will conduct the case?
Lordship, Mr. A. Bora, senior advocate, Lordship.
A. Bora.
We have already filed his wakalatnama, but the name is unfortunately not reflected, Lordship.
A. Bora will conduct the case.
Lordship.
Senior counsels.
Lordship.
Okay. Regarding the other names listed in the cost list,
Lordship.
who are they? And whether they have given any NOC for that? There's an agreement between the
Lordship, there is
counsels.
an agreement between the councils. He'll be leading the case, Lordship.
Normally, one counsel is engaged.
Lordship.
If the client feels that he should engage somebody else again,
Lordship.
then NOC has to be taken from the previous counsel,
Lordship.
saying that he has no objection if they engage somebody else
Lordship.
also.
Lordship, that has been done, Lordship.
Okay.
That is why we have already filed the wakalatnama.
Your good name?
Lordship, V.A. Chaudhary.
Please write down. Mr. V.A. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel, submits that he is led by Mr. A.M. Borua, Learned Senior Counsel, who will be conducting the case. He submits that since he has some personal difficulties to conduct the case today, and after obtaining consent from the opposite party, he prays that the matter will be listed again after 3 weeks.
Lordship. Lordship, his name may kindly be reflected. We have filed the wakalatnama, but unfortunately, the name is not reflected. After
Considering the
verification, it may be
submission made,
reflected.
registry to list the matter again after 3 weeks. Name of Mr. A.M. Borua, A.M. Bora and others who are newly engaged be reflected in the cost list.
Deep your leg.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention one criminal appeal for listing on 13th of February, my lord.
For
Um,
listing, again, you please
In
approach the
the,
registry.
I have already approached my lord in the orders column only regarding the service. In the month of June, the matter was last listed on.
When did you approach the registry?
I have approached last month and the
Last
file,
month. No,
the
you approach again now.
my lord, the file is in the bench and from the bench section told me that I to mention this matter, my lord. Because without mentioning they did not allow. There are several matters and the appellant is in the jail for more than 1.5 years, but till date the matter has
I
not been
understand.
yet listed, my lord.
You
For
take up-
orders column regarding service only,
You take up the matter with the registry.
my lord.
Alright.
I already approached, my lord.
Approach again. You have approached last month. You approach now again. You will see.
But again, on the last day, on Saturday, I have also visited, my lord. But from the bench section, told me to approach this honorable court for mention,
Why is it there in the bench section?
my lord.
Why is it pending in the bench section?
But because they told me that several matters are there, without
Ah.
mentioning, they cannot list the matter.
Several matters are there, means connected matters.
No, my lord. several other matters. Sir.
Okay, so.
So only for orders regarding service, my lord. It is a
You take it
POCSO
up with the
matter.
registry, okay? Take it up with the registry. Proceed.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordships? Item number 2, Lordships. We have not yet received the copy of the appeal as well as the IA, so I may be allowed to serve a copy.
Lordship, I am for the appellant in this matter.
Item number 2,
Yes, Your Lordships.
you're for the respondent.
Yes, Your Lordships.
What is your submission?
Lordship, we have not yet received the copy, Lordship. So matter may be taken up next week so that we can file our reply if required, Lordships.
What kind of appeal is this?
Lordship,
What kind of appeal is this?
this appeal is against the state order, Lordship.
Okay,
Uh,
what is the forum available to you?
High Court is the forum
High
of
Court?
the state, Lordship.
Under what provision?
Under section 35G of the Central Excise Act, Lordship.
This 35G has been repealed?
Repealed, Lordship.
Then?
Repealed, then after it was restored, Lordship.
It was restored? Oh,
Restored,
that's why.
Lordship.
I see. Learned counsel for the respondent, Mr.
SK Saha, Lordship.
S.K. Saha submits that he is yet to get a copy of the memo of appeal
As well as the IA. Lordships.
as well as the IA. Counsel for the appellant to serve copy of the same to him within 2 days.
Lordship.
List the matter,
Next week, Lordships.
give a date. Next. Okay, let the matter be listed again in the next week on a date to be fixed by the registry. The respondent is at liberty to file objection. In the meantime, he is so advised.
Lordship. Much obliged.
Highly obliged, Lordships.
May I please, Your Lordship? So I beg for listing for a matter, a criminal appeal, Lordship. That is, conviction was for 12 years, already 10 years completed, Lordship. And we have filed a IA long back for
IA
a
for,
file because he has completed half of the punishment, Lordship.
IA for what?
For releasing him, suspension of sentences, releasing on bail, Lordship. So, Lordship, we have we have filed a petition before the registry also, but not yet listed, my lord. Can it be tomorrow or day after?
No, you take it up with the registry again.
Several times we filed a petition, Lordship, before the registry,
All
Lordship.
right, you take it up again. We'll also
Because he
try
has
to.
completed 10 years, Lordship, out of 12 years. Lordship.
You don't repeat again what you've said. We have understood what you've said.
Lordship.
You take it up again with the registry. We'll also try to inform the registry to do the needful, okay? For
May I
listing it.
submit the, this mention memo?
No. You take it up with the registry first. Next,
Alright.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a matrimonial appeal, Lordship. Lordship, matter is before mediation, Lordship, now. But the date on which the date matter was fixed, parties were present, but mediator was not present. And now petitioner is on bedridden condition because he was paralyzed person due to pressure stroke, Lordship, on the last month. And now he cannot move, Lordship. The kindly, Lordship, matter may be listed for by
it is pending with mediation, isn't it?
Lordship,
You have to send it back.
Lordship,
It has to come back from mediation. We cannot
Well,
fall back
it's-
just like that.
did before mediation because he is the paralyzed person now. And we visit before registry, then they say that we approach before this honorable court.
No, you have to take up the matter with the mediation cell to the registry. To send it back.
On the last,
Ask them to send it back. We cannot call back the mediation. We can send from here, but
Lord.
calling back for them, they say that mediation is not possible. We send back.
Lord.
That has to be there. You take it up. Next,
My lord, listing for IA.
IA for what?
IA for bail, your lord. Lordship, last occasion 29/10, the matter was fixed and state was directed to file a objection,
Mm.
but yet to be filed objection.
Take it up with the registry for listing, okay? Oh.
one for admission.
may I please, Your Lordship.
I see.
Lordship, there is a direction to produce the records, Lordship. In fact, I have received the records today morning, but it's very huge. I haven't read, so I require some time to go through the records.
Records.
Yes, Lordship. There was the order on each Lordship. 8/12/25.
Yes, attachment also.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship.
You got the records this morning only.
This morning, Lordship, it found its huge records,
Uh-huh.
Lordship. So I required some time.
What is required to be seen in the records?
In fact, the whole record.
Hmm?
Regarding that,
Lordship, basically, this honorable court wanted to peruse that the adjudicating authority,
Oh.
just read para 12 of order dated
Hmm.
8/12/2025. Para 12 clearly provides as to what needs to be seen from the records. Miss L. Devi, Learned Standing Counsel, ED prays for some time to obtain instruction. She shall produce the records on the basis of which the impugned provisional attachment order had been issued, to find out the basis on which the said order had been issued.
Alright.
Whether it had been issued on the basis of second limb or third limb of section 21U of the PMLA Act.
When do we fix a date over for this? What to do? Let them see the records first. Have it next week somewhere. Hmm. You know. Some matters as dates have to be fixed. Some matters, some dates we have to fix. So we'll fix accordingly. Any instruction from the registry? Okay. Your good name, please?
L. Devi,
L. Devi.
lovely day.
Miss L. Devi, Learned Standing Counsel, Enforcement Directorate submits that she has received the records this morning only. And that since the same is voluminous, she requires some time to go through the same and make a submission. Stop. It may be seen that this court by order dated 8/12/2025 had requisitioned the records. And the reason for requisitioning the records has been enumerated in paragraph number 12 of the said order. Stop considering the submission made by Ms. L. Devi, at least this matter. Again, we require at least 1 week,
Lordship, I require.
1 week,
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
sorry,
Lordship, she has prayed for 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Lordship, I require.
Today is 9th, okay? List the matter on 24th of February 2026.
Lordship, can it be on 26th?
Why?
Lordship, I will be out of station.
All right, 26th.
Highly authorized.
Item 3. May I please the lordship? My lord, this criminal appeal, jail, my lord, is challenge against the judgment and order dated 18/7/2025, my lord, in passed by the learned session judge Dhemaji in session case number 39/2022 under section 302 IPC, my lord, sentencing the appellant for imprisonment of life, my lord. And annexure 1 is the copy of the judgment, my lord, in page number 10, my lord, from 10 onwards.
Yes, PP, what do you say?
My lord, matter may be admitted and record may be called for, madam.
What is the normally paper book is prepared
Yes, my lord, after receiving the
after
record.
receiving the registry, prepared by the registry?
Yes,
Hard Miss
BRS Sultana, my lord.
BRS Sultana, Learned Counsel for the appellant, who submits that this appeal is directed against the judgment dated 18/7/2025 passed by the Court of Sessions Judge Dhemaji in Sessions Case number 39 of 2022, by which the appellant has been sentenced, has been convicted under section 302 IPC and sentenced to undergo imprisonment for life. What is the ground?
My lord, ground.
One main ground.
Yes, my lord. My lord, ground in page number 6, my lord. PW 1, 2, 3, 4 are not the direct witness of the place of the occurrence, my lord. And all these witnesses admitted in their cross-examination that they have not seen the occurrence, my lord.
The Learned Counsel submits that despite the prosecution having failed to prove the case against the appellant beyond reasonable doubt through the prosecution witnesses, the Learned Trial Court had convicted the appellant, and therefore the same has to be interfered with by this court. Next para, in view of above, let the appeal be admitted. Call for LCR from the trial court concerned. Issue notice to the state. Mr.
R.R. Kosi.
R.R. Kaushik, learned TP,
Additional.
additional TP. Accepts notice on behalf of the state and therefore no formalist notice would be required. You have received a copy of the appeal?
Madam, this memo I have received, madam. After receiving the LC and declaration of paperwork, I will receive the paperwork.
No, appeal memo you've got?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, this is the matter immediately on receipt of the LCR.
I am for the appellant accused, my lord, and my name may be shown in your lordship kindly directed to the registry to my name and be mentioned in the cause list, my lord.
What about the second respondent?
Second respondent, my lord, respondent number 2, Raman Dole. Sri Raman Dole is the informant of the case, my lord.
So you'll take steps then.
I shall take steps for the respondent.
Petition
number 2.
appellant to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 2 by speed post within 3 days. List the matter again immediately on receipt of the LCR. Name of the counsel for the appellant be reflected in the cost list.
Must oblige. I plead your lordship. Lordship, an application under section 19(4), my lord, praying for this setting aside this order dated, my lord, 5/11/24, page 46, my lord.
You're challenging what? Order dated
My-
5/11,
My lord, page 46, my lord.
matrimonial appeal,
F,
matrimonial appeal.
my lord, my lord.
And this application is under what provision?
My lord, 19 subsection 4, my lord. My lord, in this petition, my lord, petitioner, applicant filed this divorce petition, my lord.
Hmm.
That petitions, my lord, only one mistake is there, my lord. I have stated my page number 3, my lord, para 3, my lord. Inserted some section, my lord, wrongly, my lord. That's why, my lord, my prayer is that, my lord, earlier divorce petition withdraw and liberty to file a fresh petition, my lord. That application,
May please, your lordship.
First time,
Pardon?
first time.
Yes, sir.
Any delay?
No, Your Honor.
Yes, what are you challenging?
I'm challenging the judgment and order dated 21/12/24 passed by the learned session judge.
Yes, what is the conviction under?
Life imprisonment and a fine of ₹5,000.
Madam, here my learned friend has filed an IA or suspension of sentence. You'll have to file objection.
Conviction is under what section?
Madam.
302.
Where is that? Just point out in the,
Case number 11, Your Honor.
okay, paragraph 43. Heard, Mr. Your good name?
SP Chittawat.
Heard, Mr. SP Chittawat, learned counsel for the appellant, who submits that by filing this appeal, the appellant has challenged the judgment and order dated 21/12/2024 passed by the Court of Sessions Judge Baksa in Sessions Case number 94 of 2018, by which he has been convicted under Section 302 IPC and sentenced to undergo imprisonment for life, along with the fine of ₹5,000 with a default clause. What is the main ground for appeal?
Your Honor, it's a misappropriation of evidence, no eyewitness, contradiction, errors, defective 313, no proof of weapon, and mens rea is also not proof. Motive is not proof. Though the medical documents or the medical evidence has been considered by the court, but there is some relevant facts which is to be considered by this court.
All right.
Essential.
All right, we'll examine. Let the appeal be admitted. Call for the LCR. Issue notice to the state. Mr. So-and-so, learned additional public prosecutor accepts notice on behalf of the state. Appellant to serve a copy of the memo of appeal to the learned additional PP, if not already done. List the matter on receipt of the LCR. Where's the IE? Heard Mr. SP Chitawat, learned counsel for the applicant, who submits that by filing this application, under section 430 of the BNSS, the applicant prays for suspension of the sentence imposed upon the applicant by the judgment, an order dated 21/12/2024, passed by the learned sessions judge Baksa in sessions case number 94 of 2018. Next para, issue notice returnable by 3 weeks. Mr. So-and-so, learned additional PP accepts notice on behalf of the state, and therefore no formal notice is required. The respondent would be at liberty to file objection to the application if so advised on or before the next date. List again after 3 weeks.
For orders, item 6.
Made please, your lordships. Actually, as per the last office note, service notice was served upon respondent number 2, but no one has appeared. So conviction TCR is received, but there's no mention of the service on respondent number 2.
Not yet served, I think.
Not yet served. That's an old matter, my lord, 24 matter. Either we take fresh steps or somebody may be appointed.
Yeah, you had taken steps.
To the office of the learned PP.
Lordship may appoint someone, my lord, it will be better because it's all matter.
No, not come. 24 matter may appoint somebody.
Office note dated 23/10/2024 indicates that TCR has been received from the trial court concerned. What about paper book?
Paper is not prepared. Order has to be made.
Accordingly, registry is directed to prepare the paper expeditiously and thereafter list the matter for orders. Once a copy of the paper book is furnished to the learned counsels for the rival parties, including the Amicus curiae to be appointed for respondent number 2. Next para. Despite attempts to serve notice to respondent number 2, bracket informant, however, the same has been unsuccessful till date. Since the matter is of the year 2024, we are inclined to appoint an Amicus curiae number 2. Accordingly, we appoint Sri Mrinmoy Datta as the Amicus curiae to represent respondent number 2. Stop as indicated above. Copy of the paper book to be made to be prepared should be furnished to the Amicus curiae Sri Mrinmoy Datta as well. List accordingly.
Item 8. Right, your lordship, in this matter, lordship, on the last occasion 6/5/24, this on 2025, this honorable court was pleased to direct the district judge Bilasipara to conduct a medical board and to conduct ossification test of the petitioner. And as per record, it was before this court. And my prayer is to give a copy of this ossification test report so that we can submit or.
What do you say?
Well, we will also require a copy, my lord.
You have not seen.
Well, I have not seen. My lord.
It says 40 to 50 years.
Yes, lordship, 40 to 50.
A wide range.
Yes, lordship. At the time, 99 is the date of incident, and at that time he was 14 years old as per this test.
My lord,
40.
if that is so, my lord, regarding that, my lord, and I would like to point out, my lord, some decisions, my lord. In that case, I will require a copy of the same, my lord.
Correct, correct.
Because,
We will hear the parties
yes,
concerned on this issue. But just we're pointing out at this stage,
because my lord, Supreme Court has
because
said that,
the range is quite,
Yes.
gap is of 10 years,
my lord, because Supreme Court has said that, my lord,
40 and 50.
in later stage of ossification, this doesn't have that much of value, my lord.
Does not have?
That much of value, my lord.
Why?
Because after certain years,
Ah.
more specifically, if I am not wrong, my lord, after 35 years, my lord, it will not give a proper,
It's not accurate.
it's not accurate.
Okay.
Yes. Because by
No,
that time,
no, lordship, that is not, that cannot be lordship as per ossification. Yes,
Obviously,
yes, yes.
obviously you have to take that stand.
Yes.
If both of you agree, then there's no argument. But since you don't agree, that is what, now, again, another aspect is that even if that breaches of 10 years gap, and there are decisions of the apex court wherein it says that you can add some more, at least 2 years.
Yes, lordship. Lower limit.
You can make it wider also. And whichever is more
beneficial.
beneficial to the accused, that should be adopted like that. Those things are there, but
Different things are there. my lord.
at this stage, maybe we
Had
ask.
it been conducted earlier,
Hmm.
that it had been different value, my lord. Since it has been conducted in a later stage of his age, my lord, then there are, my lord, decisions which makes it doubtful.
Lordship, the ground of juvenility can be taken at any stage, lordship. And lordship, the report is before this court. And if this court fits, then the judgment against this person may be set aside and sent back to the case to the juvenile justice board because the report is before this court.
Wide range is peculiar.
Yes, that is why this is peculiar. In any case, also a lordship knows, my lord, ossification is always case set out, it's not conclusive. It's the last stage as per Juvenile Justice Act, my lord. If there is nothing, then it goes. It is favorable sometimes, but it will depend on what stage it has been conducted, my lord. So that's why when I would like to point out, so I need a copy of the same. my lord.
We furnish a copy of the sleeping to both the parties. And so that they can lay their own submissions, you know. It'll be fair only for them to have a report. Okay, please write. Parties are represented by the respective councils. So the ossification report called by this court has arrived. And the learned counsels for the parties submit that they may be given access to the said report for making their submissions. So accordingly, registry is directed to furnish a copy each of the ossification report to the learned counsel for the appellant, Miss
And so,
N.
And-
Chaudhary and Mr. So-and-so, learned additional public prosecutor. To enable them make their respective submissions. Please this matter again.
lordship, I play a short date on 12, lordship, because already he is serving the sentence.
We'll list it after a week. Monday.
On 12, lordship.
List the matter on 18th of February 2026.
Obliged, lordship.
Item 9.
My lord, item number 9, my lord, will.
In a criminal appeal, my lord, I have filed an IA for bail. Actually, 10 persons are accused appellant before your lordship. Out of that, 4 persons has filed an IA, my lord, the ladies, my lord. 4 ladies. accused.
Ladies.
Yes, my lord, but this is an unfortunate case, of course, I'll say, because it's a witch hunting, witchcrafting, practicing. The 2 persons have been killed to death, my lord. So, my lord, whatsoever it may be, my lord, of course, they must also get a fair chance to file an objection to it, my lord.
We have not filed objection.
We have not filed, my lord. My short date may be given within a week. I will file.
That is what my prayer is, my.
All right.
Because after it was directed by earlier bench, my lord, to be listed after view occasion, and we are today in the second coming view, my lord.
Mr. Ziaul Kamar, learned counsel for the appellant, learned senior counsel for the
Yes.
applicant, assisted by Mr.
D. Talukdar, my.
D. Talukdar, submits that by filing this application, the applicant seek suspension of the sentence.
And for bail, my.
Passed by the Session Judge Kamrup Amingaon in Sessions Case number 194 of 2014, and to allow the applicants to go on bail. Mr. So-and-so, please give me your name again.
R.R. Kaushik.
R.R.
R.
Kaushik. Mr. R.R. Kaushik, learned additional PP, submits that he may be given a week's time to file objection to the same. Praise the Lord. List again after a week.
My lord, date may kindly be given, my lord, otherwise, any date, my lord. Date.
23-2. List again on 23-2.
23.
My lord, 22, can it be on 22 or 23, my lord? 22, one of those.
22 is Sunday.
Saturday, my lord, 21, my lord, will be better, my lord.
21. You
21.
agree? Okay, as agreed to list the matter on 21 February 2026.
21, my lord, 21st.
Correct. 21-2 of 2026.
Fine.
The opposite party shall file their objection on or before the same date.
Much obliged, my lord.
Yes.
May I please your lordship? This application for bail, my. The appeal is pending, my lord, since last 1 year. Copy, yes.
Objections filed?
My lord, objection already filed, my. Oh, yes. My lord, here, the appellant is convicted under section 6 of POCSO, my lord, for
Notice was served on the brother of the informant. POCSO matter, you know.
LCR already, my lord, has been received.
Lordship, someone is to be appointed on behalf of the appellant. No one.
ECR has come. ECR has come.
No.
Not yet come.
Conference doesn't say so, my lord.
Okay, this is the second day.
The name of S Khatania indicates.
Oh, it's not shown in the cause list.
Okay.
She might have missed it.
Yeah, 1812 model.
I know.
Her name is indicated.
Respondent number 2.
Lordship, whether notice is on or not. I was saying, so Dipu.
ECR is not present.
Dipu Bangta, I guess it, no? I don't know. Oh, asli at the point. And objection of file is Lordship, I'm not aware of whether notice has been served or not. Our record, we have got one objection is there, my lord, whether it's filed or not.
See, the office note says that notice was sent to respondent number 2 by registered post, by speed post. And secondly, a copy of the notice application along with petition and an extra is handed over to the learned APP Assam for forwarding to OC of the concerned police station. This is the office note dated 5th February 2026.
Lordship, we'll take instruction from the OC concerned. The junior will take mine. As per the present notification, it should be through APP, through PP's office. Mine.
Where is the jail legal aid counsel? Sangeeta Khataniar.
Lordship, her name is not shown in the cause list. She might have.
Okay. Please write, although the Miss Sangeeta Khataniar appears to be the appointed legal aid counsel for the appellant, but she does not appear today. Perhaps due to non-reflection of our name in the cost list. Registry shall hereafter reflect the name of Ms. Sangeeta Khataniar as the legal aid counsel for the appellant in the cost list. Next para, Ms. B. Bhuya, learned senior counsel and additional PP, Assam, submits that she may be given some time to effect service of notice upon respondent number 2. In terms of the order dated 18/12/2025. In view of above, matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks to await service report from the respondent number 2 and also await the TCR. TCR will come from where?
Your Lordship.
Morigaon.
Yes, it is Office of the Asian Session Judge, Special Judge Morigaon. Come Special Judge Morigaon.
All right.
Special Judge within bracket POCSO Morigaon.
50.
What steps for
My lord, item number 15. Service is complete in respect of respondent number 2, my lord.
Mr. R. Kaushik, learned additional PP, summons that service is complete on respondent number 2.
Amicus may be open.
Where's that service?
My lord, here, because my lord, police is the informant, my lord.
Huh?
They have, police themselves is the informant here, my lord, police person, my lord. So they have informed us, my lord, over phone, my lord. That they have received the.
We continue without full stop, since the police themselves are the informant in the instant case, and he has received the telephonical information in this regard. Stop.
My
Yes.
lord, this is the child marriage, my lord.
May it please your lordship, my lord, interlocutory application for suspension of sentence and my lord granting bail, my lord. Petitioner appellant is behind the bars almost 5 years, your lordship. And he was convicted.
Oh,
May it pleases your lordship,
why this has come here?
because
Has
one of
been,
my colleague's name is there and the other special bench cannot take up that matter, lordship.
I see.
And that too also is not there in the Wakalatnama, but inadvertently my clerk has mentioned in the list, IA list, my colleague's name. This is the reason the special bench cannot take up that matter. Administrative order is there, lordship. Although in the Wakalatnama and everything, it's not there, but in the IA, while filing the IA, my clerk has inadvertently mentioned her name, although her name is not there in the Wakalatnama.
What is her name?
Hemprabha Vitala.
Huh?
Hemprabha Vitala.
Where is it mentioned?
It's not mentioned, just
Hmm.
it's not by K.R. Surana, Honorable Justice K.R. Surana.
So what is this application about?
This is an IA for release from the detention camp, lordship.
Yeah, what is your submission?
Lordship, it's more than a year, lordship.
Yes, Lordship.
You are for?
I am for Lordship, Home Department, Lordship.
Home Department.
Yes, Lordship. And petitioner has to address the maintainability of the writ petition, Lordship. My humble submission is that,
Maintainability of the writ petition.
yes, Lordship, because delay in filing the writ petition, Lordship,
Delay is explained, lordship. Delay is explained in the writ petition in paragraph.
Saying filing the writ petition against what?
Impugn order dated lordship 5/12/2018.
FT order. Against FT order.
Yes,
Is
lordship.
there any limitation?
Limitation, it's not a writ petition, lordship. And
That's what he says, delay, that's why.
yes,
What is the limitation?
because Lordship, in Mrinma Metis case, Lordship, it is a civil appeal number 5027 of 2024. Lordship, para 11 onwards, Lordship.
See, you're
Given
objecting to the writ petition itself,
Yes, Lordship.
but today
Yes.
IA is before the court. IA is before the court.
Yes.
What do you say about the IA?
Lordship,
I'm praying for bail.
is praying for bail, Lordship.
IA is before this court. IA is
If
for bail.
writ petition is not maintainable, then question of bail is not,
So are you going to file an objection or not, or just you going to argue orally?
Lordship.
What is to be done?
Lordship, may.
It is listed for the, this is for the listed for the first time. IA is listed for the first time.
Yes,
This is before it, because it could not be taken up by the
Yes,
other bench.
Otherwise, Lordship,
Lordship,
that day also Lordship has heard me on that day. Only at the end part, before when the direction was given, that was noticed. This is the reason the bench could
It's
not
okay,
take
but
up.
anyway,
Lordship, may hardly matter tomorrow or day after tomorrow, Lordship, any date, Lordship. I will apprise. Hard on merit, Lordship. Then if Lordship thinks fit, then Lordship will allow him to go and bail, Lordship.
Meanwhile, maybe, what is the?
Lordship, civil appeal number 5027 of 2024.
And this is not a commercial litigation, Lordship. This is somebody's citizenship right is
Lordship.
at stake, Lordship.
And Lordship, similar, by accepting the proposition of Nirmoy Mehti, Lordship, this court also, Lordship, on several cases, Lordship, same proposition has been accepted, Lordship.
so in the amended petition, have you filed any objection? Any counter affidavit?
No, Lordship.
No, till that.
Shouldn't you file? Shouldn't you file?
I have, in paragraph, if my Lordship is saying the delay, I have explained before this honorable court on paragraph 55, page 49, Lordship. May I read that relevant portion, Lordship?
No, that's not required as of now.
Because my friend is on delay of filing my writ petition, Lordship.
Delay of writ
Clearly
petition,
explained in my
bail is also there, but you have not filed any objection or counter affidavit.
Then, Lordship, we shall file objection, Lordship.
I'm in detention since 2024, Lordship. I have minor children, Lordship.
It's all up to you. If you want to file, you will file. If you don't want to file, you will have to
Within a
hear it
week,
as it is.
Lordship, within a week, we shall.
Within
file,
a week.
Lordship.
Lordship, it may come up on coming Friday, Lordship. This date is.
By filing this application, please write, the applicant seeks our release on bail. No, not on bail, our release from the detention. As she has been arrested on 20/12/2024 pursuant to the opinion rendered by the Foreigners Tribunal number 6, Borpeta, Assam, in FT case number 400 of 2015. Why there are two numbers?
One is the reference case. Border has referred to. So that is the police case, reference case, and that is the FT case registered in the tribunal, Lordship.
Okay, 400
One is the
2015,
police case.
400 of 2015. Did I give you the date of the order? Opinion, date of opinion? 5/12/18. 5/12/18. Please read what I've stated. On 5/12/2018. Or not on, you write white order dated. White order oblique opinion dated 5/12/2018. Mr.
G. Sharma. G. Sharma appearing for respondent number, Lordship.
G. Sharma, is it?
Yes, Lordship.
All right.
Appearing for respondent number
Issue notice.
three.
Mr. G. Sharma,
Lordship,
learned government advocate, accepts notice on behalf of
Respondent number 3 and 6, Lordship.
respondent numbers 3 and 6. What about the others?
No, I am appearing for respondent number 2. Yeah, yeah, Lordship.
Mr. A.I. Ali, learned
Election.
standing counsel,
Election Commissioner.
Election Commission India, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 2.
I am four also I am appearing, Lord.
3, 4, and 6.
3, 4 and 6, Lordship.
3, 4 and 6. Okay. What about 5?
5, government advocate will appear, Lord.
Who is the government advocate? Give a name, government advocate.
P. Sharma's name may be reflected.
Mr. B. Sharma, learned government advocate,
Additional
accepts
name.
notice on behalf of respondent number 5. And what about 1?
One, architect.
name may be reflected, Lordship.
And Mr. R.K. Dev Chaudhary, learned DSGI, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1.
I think. Lordship, may it be fixed on 13th of February, Lordship.
No, don't be Friday. Have it on Monday or Tuesday next week.
She is in detention, Lordship.
I know.
For the IA, Lordship.
When can you file your objection?
Lordship, within a week we shall file.
Huh?
Within a week, Lordship, we shall file.
Okay.
Today is Monday, Lordship.
Release the matter on 17th of February 2026. Respondents, shall file their objection, if any. Before that, before the next date.
Deeply. impressed.
Sorry, Lordship,
Hmm.
as regards item number 20, 23 and 24, today I have got some personal difficulty. Can this matter be taken up on Thursday, my lord?
They are connected.
They are connected, but Mr. Ella, he was here, he has no objection, but he said he has some difficulty. Some days he has mentioned, my lord.
22, 21, and for item number 23, my lord. The problem is that here in my case, my lord, absolutely nothing in the evidence, my lord. So unless there is nothing in the evidence, my lord, against me, in item number 23, and I am more than 4 years of behind bars, my lord. So I short date maybe fix, my lord, maybe on Thursday.
We'll have it next week. Let there be a regular bench. We don't know how long we'll continue like this. Next week on a hearing date. All right. As agreed to by the parties, list these matters, THESE, on 19th of February 2026 for hearing.
Lordship, as regards dates, my lord, he had some difficulty as regards some dates. Mr. L.R. Mujumdar, he'll inform the learned courtmaster. If 19, he has some personal difficulty, then my lord. Mr. L.R. Mujumdar, he appears in item number 22 and 24. Today, he has no objection taking time. They told. Well,
18.
May I please your lordships?
Yes.
My lord,
This microphone is working or not? Is it working? It's low, no? From where you adjust it? From here or from somewhere else? No, it's okay, brother. I had requisitioned this because it's more convenient for me. The volume is a bit low. Anyone for the applicant? What is this matter? Mr. Kaushik? Huh?
Delay condemnation.
Filed by the appellant?
Yes, ma'am.
but no counsel, what to do? Only 3 days.
Otherwise, I have no objection.
I'm sure you don't have any objection, but without the,
Yes, yes.
in the absence of, in their absence. Oh, you're.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sincere apology. Actually, we in the other court and there's a
No,
delay.
you were sitting here.
No, actually, I was looking at a cause list, which item
Oh, you
was
looking at
going
the course list.
just now after going through, I think.
Will condone the delay.
Yes.
Your good name?
S. Saikya.
I had Mr. S. Saikia, learned counsel for the applicant who submits that by filing this application, the applicant seeks condonation of 3 days in preferring the connected criminal appeal against the judgment and order dated 13/8/2025 passed by the Court of Additional Sessions Judge, cum Special Judge POCSO, Sivsagar, in Special POCSO case number 20 of 2024. What is the explanation? The learned counsel referring to the application submits that since the applicant required some time to make preparation to come to Gauhati from his native place to arrange a counsel. The applicant could not file the appeal within the period of limitation. Stop. He submits that in view of the bona fide reasons for the delay may be condoned. Next para, Mr. R. Kaushik, learned addition PP, submits that he has no objection if the delay is condoned and that the appeal may be considered on merits. Next para, upon hearing the learned counsels for the parties and upon perusal of the application, we condone the delay of 3 days in filing the connected appeal. IA stands disposed of as allowed. Where is the main appeal?
The appeal will be numbered now.
That direction for registration of number should be passed in the IA or in the main? In the IA. Okay, in the IA, continue. Office shall now register the connected criminal appeal and list the same for admission. When do you want it? Any urgency?
Date may be fixed or not.
Hmm.
Any date as per court convenience.
On 9th March.